Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 2 of holiday recipes and we are going to be making these Southwestern egg rolls. They were inspired by the Southwestern egg rolls from Chili's. They're filled with like a black bean, corn, spinach, creamy, cheesy mixture, and then I actually air fried these egg rolls and I'm giving away an air fryer on Instagram. So go check that giveaway out. It'll be up until December 15th. But you can definitely deep fry these or you can bake them too if you don't have an air fryer. I think these are so delicious. I think they'd be a really fun appetizer for your holidays. So I hope you get a chance to try them out. If you don't already know, my cookbook Plantiful is coming out January 12th, 2021. So very soon, and it is so beautiful and I cannot wait for you all to see it. So much hard work and love went into this book and I am just so in love with it. So if you'd like to pre-order, you can do that and you can even give it as a gift and it'll just come a few days after the holidays are over, but who cares? Filled with yummy recipes and who doesn't love a little late present? If you pre-order, you get a free holiday dinner ebook, which will go away after pre-ordering time is done. So if you want it, make sure to get it now. Those recipes are only in that ebook, they're not anywhere else. And if you pre-order, you get some bonus entries in the giveaway. So definitely a good idea to pre-order. With all that being said, let's get into the recipe. All right, let's start off by preparing some veggies. So I'm taking one jalapeno, chopping the top off. I'm gonna cut it in half and then we're gonna take out the seeds and the innards. And then from there, we will just dice it up really finely. I only went with one jalapeno today. If you prefer it to be more spicy, you can add 2 jalapeno, even 3. Go crazy, just do it to your preference. Then I'm taking a red onion and I'm gonna cut about 1/3 of it. We're going to cut off the root on the bottom and I'm also gonna remove the outside skin and I'm just gonna do the same thing and just chop it up really finely, as small as I can. You can also use a white onion if that's all you have, but I like red onions for this. And we're just gonna scoop it into our bowl. Then from there, we're going to measure out 1 cup of frozen corn and pop that in the bowl. And then we are also going to measure out 2 cups of baby spinach. And then we are going to bring this over to our stove and we are going to saute it. And we are going to pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil into our fry pan. And then we are going to add in all of our ingredients from the bowl. And obviously spinach, you know, it reduces down to just about nothing. So just give it a second, it'll wilt down in a minute. I'm gonna saute this over a medium-low heat. And then once it looks like this, only after about, 5 minutes, we are good to go. Let's bring this back off the stove. We're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. So we're adding in 1 cup of black beans, about 1/2 cup of vegan cream cheese, 1/2 cup of vegan cheddar shreds, and 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning. And I didn't add any extra salt to this because between the cheeses, the taco seasoning, and the beans, it was salty enough for me. But if you prefer things saltier, you can add in a little bit of salt as well. So just mix this up until the cream cheese is kind of melted in there and it kind of holds it together like a glue. These are the egg roll wrappers I'm using. Got them at my local food store. We're gonna place an egg roll wrapper down in a diamond shape. Use your finger with a little bit of water and run it around the edges. I like to keep a little bowl handy. Then we're going to scoop about 2 heaping tablespoons of our filling into the bottom of the wrapper, and we're going to form it kind of into a log shape. This will be the size of your egg roll, so feel free to make it as big or as little as you like. Fold that bottom part up, and then I like to press the sides down, take the 2 sides in. You're kind of left with this envelope shape. Add a little bit of water to the top and just wrap it up and roll it kind of like a burrito. And that's all you have to do. That's all you got to do for them. It's pretty easy. Just make sure you seal it pretty well so that way nothing explodes during the cooking process. So I made 8 egg rolls from this, and then I'm spraying them with some coconut oil spray on both sides. Even though we aren't deep frying them, this will just help to give that nice crackly outside. And then I'm placing 4 egg rolls in each drawer. This air fryer has 2 drawers, and we're gonna air fry at 375 for 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's make our avocado dipping sauce. So I'm squeezing the juice of 1 lime into a blender, and then we are going to, of course, add in 1 avocado. This is an avocado dipping sauce. And then we're gonna add in about 1/3 cup of vegan cream cheese. And then just add some salt, pepper, and cayenne. You could add garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes. I mean, you could really do what you want. It's pretty easy. It's kind of like a guacamole, smooth guacamole. So just do it to what you like. And then just blend it up until it is nice and thick. And yeah, that's all you gotta do. Very easy. Or you could pair this with vegan ranch. There's a lot of things you could pair these egg rolls with. When they're all done, they look crispy and crackly like this. I just top it with a little extra jalapeno, some lime. I didn't have cilantro, so I just threw some parsley on there. And that's all you gotta do. These are all done, and now you can enjoy them. As you can see, they get really golden and crispy in the air fryer, and they just look so good, and it's way easier than having to go through the process of deep frying them. And this is what the inside looks like. It's really yummy. It's very flavorful. It goes great with that avocado dip, and these are just so good. I think they're a fun take on egg rolls. All right, everyone, and those were our delicious Southwestern egg rolls. So good, so easy to make, and really, really yummy. I think you will all really enjoy them. As always, the full recipes on my blog, and also all the ingredients are written out down below in the description box as well. If you try these out, be sure to tag me on Instagram. Use hashtag plantifullybased so I can see your beautiful recreations. And if you like my videos, you already know, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Helps the channel out, helps us to grow and spread more vegan recipes. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Bye.